Here we go. Proof that Maggie is awake and not crying.
You don't cry. No, you don't. Yes, I don't cry, Mama.
She's smiling. Look at that smiley girl. Look at that smile.
Yay.
Hi, gorgeous. Hello,
I'm
gorgeous.
I'm 2 weeks old.
I'm so
in
happy
4
to
minutes.
be 2 weeks old. I was just waiting till I got older to be nice.
Sure can be nice, can't you? Yeah. Oh, yes. Sure got your eye all open.
And my eyes are so pretty today.
Whoa. Uh-huh. Yeah, there's your dimple. There it was. There it was. I saw it.
Now we're going to have to put this on YouTube so everybody can see.
Okay. So ready to go on YouTube, baby? We have to put your Facebook onesie pictures on Facebook, too. Actually, we can put the video on Facebook.
Yeah.
Sure, that's gonna be so cool all over the internet.
There's Miss Maggie Sue. Hi. Hi, cutie. You like yourself, don't you? You're a good-looking baby. Oh, pretty baby.